Welcome to our guide on using Canva in the classroom. Canva is a powerful user-friendly design tool that can enhance your teaching and engage your students. Let's explore how you can make the most of it. First, head over to canva.com and sign up for a free account. As you're an educator, you can apply for Canva for Education, which offers additional features at no extra cost. Once you're logged in, click on Create a Design to start a new project. You can choose from a variety of templates, including presentations, posters, and infographics. Select a template that fits your lesson plan. Canva offers thousands of templates that can be customized, so you're sure to find one that suits your needs. Now let's customize your template. You can change the text, font, color, and images to match your classroom theme. Simply click on an element to edit it. Want to add more elements? Click on the Elements tab to find icons, shapes, and illustrations. You can also upload your own images and graphics. Once your design is complete, you can download it in various formats such as PDF, PNG, or JPEG. You can also share it directly via email or social media. How have I used it in the classroom? Well, let's explore Canva's Dream Lab, an AI-powered tool who can inspire and enhance creative writing lessons. Select Dream Lab. This innovative tool uses AI to generate stunning imagery based on your descriptions. Now let's dive into Dream Lab. Enter a description of the scene or character you want to visualize. For example, a mystical forest at sunset or futuristic cityscape. Dream Lab will generate unique images based on your input in seconds. Once the images are generated, you can customize them further, adjust the colors and add text, and combine multiple images to create a rich visual story. I then get the children in my class to write a description based on the picture that they can see. We then put it back into Canva to see how close their image is to the original. The pupils love seeing their pictures come up on the screen, and it doesn't take long to set up. With Canva, the possibilities are endless, from creating engaging presentations to collaborative projects. Canva helps bring creativity into your classroom. Start designing today and watch your students' creativity soar.